In this video, you will see how to double space in Word 2023. It's very easy. First, you need to know what is the spacing between the words. So to know that, first you need to click on this Pilcrow icon located under the Home tab. After clicking on this option, now you can see there is one single dot followed next to every word. So this means that this is a single space, and now we will make this double space. To do that, press Ctrl H on your keyboard and you will see this window. If you are a Mac user, you can click here and directly click on the Replace tab. Now we need to find and replace, so we will click on the Replace tab. We want to find single space, so we will press spacebar one time on the keyboard. And because we want double space, so under the replace with, we will type spacebar two times, so it will be double spaced, and then click on replace all. Microsoft Word will let you know how many replacements were done. So in this case, it's 123 replacements. Once done, click on OK. Now you can see there are two dots appearing next to every word. This means that the document is now double spaced. And to remove this blue Pilcrow icons and formatting marks, just click on the Pilcrow icon again to hide them. If you want to double space the line spacing, then you can just press Ctrl A or Command A on Mac to select everything, and under the Home tab you will see the option of line spacing. So for the double spacing, you just have to select 2.0, and this will give double line spacing with double space in Word 2023. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word 2023. See you again in the next one.